Welcome to our channel Easy Learn Funny Learn. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications.
Hi my dear kids, in this video we are going to see chapter 15 Local Government and Administration from International Social Studies Olympiad MTG Workbook of Class 6. First one, how many seats are reserved for women in Panchayat Raj? Option A 1/3, B 2/3, C half, D none of these. So 1/3 seats are reserved for women in Panchayat Raj. Okay. So option A is the correct answer. Option A 1/3. Second one, Panchayat Raj is a dash system. A 2-tier, B 3-tier, C 4-tier, D 5-tier. So Panchayat Raj is a 3-tier system, that is Gram Panchayat, Block Samiti and then Jilla Parishad. So option B is the correct answer. Panchayat Raj is a 3-tier system. Third one, a member of a Panchayat should not be less than dash years of age. A 18, B 25, C 21, D 35. So a member of Panchayat should not be less than 21 years of age. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. Option C, 21 years. Fourth one, Gram Sabha meets at least dash a year. A once, B twice, C thrice, D none of these. So Gram Sabha meets at least twice in a year. So option B is the correct answer. They meet at least twice in a year. Option B. Fifth one, complete the given analogy and select the correct option. West Bengal, Anchal Samiti, dash Kshetra Samiti. A Karnataka, B Kerala, C Gujarat, D Uttar Pradesh. So Anchal Samiti is the name of Block Samiti in West Bengal, while Kshetra Samiti is the name of Block Samiti in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, option D is the correct answer. Sixth one, which organization is at the apex of the Panchayat Raj system? A. Jilla Parishad, B. Block Samiti, C. Gram Panchayat, D. none of these. So we know there are 3 tiers in Panchayat Raj system. They are Gram Panchayat, Block Samiti and then Jilla Parishad. So Jilla Parishad is at the district level of Panchayat Raj system. So option A is the correct answer. Option A, Jilla Parishad. Seventh one, the representatives of block samitis and other members who work at the district level are called. Option A, Gram Panchayat, B. Jilla Parishad, C. Panchayat, D. Pradhan. So Jilla Parishad is a district level of Panchayat Raj system. We discussed the same thing in 6th question. So option B is the correct answer. Option B, Jilla Parishad, is at the district level of Panchayat Raj system. Eighth one, the Panchayat system consists of 3 main bodies. Which among the following is not a part of the system? A. Gram Sabha, B. Gram Panchayat, C. Nyaya Panchayat, D. Nyaya Palika. So Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat and Nyaya Panchayat are all part of the Panchayat system. Nyaya Palika, okay, Nyaya Palika is not a part of Panchayat system. It is a judiciary and it is a broad term. All law courts come under it. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Nyaya Palika is not a part of Panchayat system. So option D is the correct answer. 10th one, who heads the Gram Panchayat? Option A, Sarpanch, B. Panchayat Raj, C. Patwari, D. Gram Sabha. So Sarpanch, okay, Sarpanch is the head of Gram Panchayat. He is elected after every 5 years. So option A is the correct answer. 10th one, select the odd one out on the basis of urban local self-government. A. Nahar Panchayat, B. Jilla Parishad, C. Municipality, D. Municipal Corporation. So Jilla Parishad, okay, Jilla Parishad is not a part of urban local self-government. It comes under rural self-government, okay. It comes under rural self-government. So option B is the correct answer. Option B is odd and out on the basis of urban local self-government. 11th one, select the incorrect match. So we need to select the incorrect match. Option A, Nahar Panchayat, transitional areas. It is the correct match. B. Municipality, small towns. It is also correct match. C. Municipal corporation, large cities. It is the correct match. D. Nyaya Panchayat, blocks. It is incorrect match. because Nyaya Panchayat is like a local court of village level. So option D is the incorrect match. Okay, option D is the correct answer. 12th one. Tehsil and Taluka are the parts of a dash. A district, B block, C state, D village. So Tehsil and Taluka are the parts of a district. Okay, option A is the correct answer. District is subdivided into Tehsil and Taluka. So option A is the correct answer. Option A. 13. Revenue officers are called dash. A district collector, B sarpanch, C dasildar, D none of this. So revenue officers are called dasildar. Okay, option C is the correct answer. 14th. The court of sessions judge is the highest court in the dash. A district, B dasil, C block, D state. So the court of sessions judge is the highest court in the district. So option A is the correct answer. 15th. The official who is in charge of a district is called dash. A district magistrate, B district collector, C deputy commissioner, D all of these. So the official who is in charge of a district is called district magistrate, district collector and deputy commissioner. So option D, all of this is the correct answer. Option D, all of these. 16th. Which among the following is an important official of the district? A chief medical officer, B superintendent of police, C planning officer, D all of these. So chief medical officer is in charge of maintaining health of the district. B superintendent of police is in charge of maintaining law and order. Planning officer is in charge of development of the district. So all of these are important official of the district. Okay, all of this is the correct answer. Option D. 17th. The Hindu Succession Amendment Act was passed in dash. A 2005, B 1990, C 2000, D 1995. So the Hindu Succession Act was passed in 2005. Okay, 2005. This act gave Hindu women equal rights in their ancestral property. So option A is the correct answer. 18. Who looks after the law and order in the village? A dasildar, B patwari, C inspector, D none of these. So Chaukidar, okay, Chaukidar is responsible for law and order in a village. Dasildar, patwari, inspector are not responsible for law and order in a village. So option D, none of this is the correct answer. Option D, none of this. 19th. Janpat Panchayat is another name for dash. A Jilla Parishad, B Panchayat Smiti, C Gram Sabha, D Panchayat Raj. So Janpat Panchayat is another name for Panchayat Samiti or Block Samiti. Okay, it is another name for Panchayat Samiti or Block Samiti. So option B is the correct answer. Option B. A municipal council is set up in dash. A large cities, B transitional areas, C small towns, D block. So a municipal council is set up in small towns. Okay, option C is the correct answer. Municipal corporation is set up in large cities and the Nahar Panchayat is set up in transitional areas and municipal council is set up in small towns. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. Option C. Next, achiever section. 21. Read the given statement and select the correct option. Statement 1. The Jilla Parishad gives advice, help and support to Gram Panchayat and Block Samiti. So it is the correct statement. Statement 2. It informs the state government about the work being done by these two bodies. So it is also the correct statement. But statement 2 is not correct explanation of statement 1. Okay. So both the statement are true, but statement 2 is not correct explanation of statement 1. So option B is the correct answer. Option B. 22. Match the columns and select the correct option. So please pause the video and check the column 1 and then column 2. So we know session judge. Okay, session judge is responsible for criminal case. Session judge deals with criminal case. So C4. Okay. C4 means option A is the correct answer. So additional district judge deals with civil case, okay? Session judge deals with criminal case and additional district judge deals with civil case. So CDMO means Chief District Medical Officer. He is in charge of health, okay? So B2. Then Kanungo Revenue Department. So A3, B2, C4 and D1. So option A is the correct answer. Option A. 23. Which among the following statement are incorrect? Okay, so we need to select the incorrect statement. First one, cases concerning financial disputes are decided by criminal court. It is incorrect, okay. Cases concerning financial dispute are decided by civil court, okay, or decided by civil court. So one is incorrect. 2. Chief Judicial Magistrate can award a sentence up to 7 years of imprisonment. So it is also incorrect because Chief Judicial Magistrate can award a sentence up to 7 years of imprisonment, okay, not 5, 7 years. So 1 and 2 are incorrect. 3. District Collector is also responsible for supervising the functioning of Panchayati Raj system. So it is the correct statement. 4th one, the session judge can award a death sentence. So it is also correct statement. The session judge can award a death sentence. So 1 and 2 are incorrect, okay. So option B is the correct answer. Option B. 24th, the city of Dash had a plague scare in Dash. Plague spreads through the air and people who have the disease have to be dashed. The scare of the plague ensured that the Dash completely cleaned up the city. So the city of Surat, okay, the city of Surat had a plague scare in 1994, okay. The city of Surat had a plague scare in 1994. Plague spreads through the air and people who have the disease have to be isolated. The scare of the plague ensured that the municipal corporation completely cleaned up the city. So option C is the correct answer. Option C, Surat 1994 isolated municipal corporation, okay. So option C is the correct answer. So after this incident, Surat became one of the cleanest cities in India. So, okay, after this incident, Surat became one of the cleanest cities in India. So, option C is the correct answer. Next, last one. These are two peoples from Maharashtra. In 2005, for their excellent work in Dash, they were awarded. A. Vidhan Sabha, B. Zilla Parishad, C. Panchayat, D. Municipal Corporation. So the given picture are two village punch who were awarded with Nirmal Gram Puraskar. Okay, Nirmal Gram Puraskar for their excellent work in Panchayat. Okay, so these are two people from Maharashtra. In 2005, for their excellent work in Panchayat, okay, Panchayat, they were awarded Nirmal Gram Puraskar Award. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. Option C. Thank you, my dear kids, for watching this video. In our next video, we are going to see chapter 16, Livelihood, Rural and Urban. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.